the rats are roaming freely and fed and even worshipped. The intricate mirrorwork and carvings on the wall and ceiling make this fort a visual treat. We stayed in this magnificent palace, Lakshmi Nivas. You cannot miss the most stunning Havelis in Rajasthan, sunset or sunrise safaris for the most breathtaking views.
Hello, salam, namaste. This is Moshmi, aka Miss Many Hands, and welcome to my channel.
Welcome to the part 4 of the epic road trip of Rajasthan. Do check out the previous episodes if you missed them, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Continuing the epic road trip through Rajasthan, having already explored the historic Chittorgarh, the beautiful gems of Bundi, the pink city of Rajasthan, Jaipur, the moonland, Kishangarh, Ajmer, and the holy city of Pushkar, our next stop takes us to the camel country of Rajasthan, Bikaner. This place is packed with history, vibrant culture, and of course, a lot of camels. यहाँ आप ग्रैंड फोर्ट्स एंड हवेलीज देख सकते हैं, some delicious Rajasthani food and of course the local markets जहाँ आप खूब सारी शॉपिंग भी कर सकते हैं. Let's dive into the heritage and charm of this beautiful gem in Rajasthan where every corner tells a story. Let's hit the roads and explore Bikaner like never before. बीकानेर का मोस्ट आइकॉनिक लैंडमार्क जूनागढ़ फोर्ट अपने इंट्रिकेट कार्विंग एंड ब्यूटीफुल कोर्टयार्ड्स के लिए जाना जाता है. अनलाइक मैनी अदर फोर्ट्स इन राजस्थान, जूनागढ़ फोर्ट स्टैंड्स ऑन अ प्लेन रादर दैन अ हिल. इस फोर्ट में अनूप महल, करण महल, चंद्र महल all reflect a fusion of Rajput, Mughal and Gujarati style of architecture. The intricate mirrorwork and carvings on the wall and ceiling make this fort a visual treat. It is a must visit for its history and architectural marvel. Another must visit destination in Bikaner for a fascinating cultural and religious experience is the Karni Mata temple, which is also known as the Rat Temple. This is literally India's most unusual temple, known for its thousands of resident rats which are also considered sacred. माना जाता है कि ये rats करनी माता के भक्त हैं and it is auspicious if you can spot a white rat. लाखों लोग बड़ी दूर से इस मंदिर को देखने आते हैं where the rats are roaming freely and fed and even worshipped. The next destination to explore was the beautiful and magnificent Lalgarh Palace. This palace ka architecture is a blend of Rajput, Mughal and European influence as well. One section of the palace, the Lalgarh Museum, offers a glimpse of the royal history of Bikaner. This museum mein you can see artifacts, paintings, hunting trophies and royal family ki kai personal items. Lalgarh Palace का एक हिस्सा has been converted into a luxury hotel as well. To experience the royalness in Rajasthan, we stayed in this magnificent palace, Lakshmi Nivas. Because we were staying inside the palace, we got access to the terrace and many other parts of the palace. The experience and stay at the Lakshmi Nivas Palace was absolutely worth it. अगर आप बीकानेर में हैं, then you cannot miss the most stunning Havelis in Rajasthan and especially the Rampuria Haveli, which is the most iconic of all Havelis. Built by wealthy merchants, these Havelis have intricate stone carvings, jarokhas and jali work. You can stroll through the narrow lanes on foot या फिर आप टांगा और गाइड भी कर सकते हैं. But if you are a history enthusiast, I would recommend कि आप guide करें because they would answer all your questions and tell you loads of stories about these Havelis and the rich merchants. बीकानेर को कैमल कंट्री ऑफ राजस्थान भी कहा जाता है. So camel safari through the Thar desert is an essential experience. The camel ride allows you to go through the golden dunes, offering panoramic views of the serene desert landscape. आप यहाँ टूर्स भी ले सकते हैं where you can visit the local villages, interact with the desert communities, providing an insight into their lifestyle. You can also take sunset or sunrise safaris for the most breathtaking views. बीकानेर का ट्रिप बीकानेरी भुजिया खाए बिना अधूरा है. It is a crispy and spicy snack made from beans and chickpea flour. This snack, which originated in Bikaner over centuries ago, is enjoyed across India and globally. इसके अलावा do try the famous rasgullas, ghevar and traditional Rajasthani thali. Bikaneri bhujia is also an ideal souvenir to take home as it has a long shelf life. If you are visiting Bikaner in the month of January, you can also attend the Bikaner Camel Festival, which is a vibrant celebration of the ship of the desert. इस फेस्टिवल में you can see camel races, camel beauty contest and camel dances, all showcasing the importance of camel in Rajasthan's culture. Apart from the camel-centric events, आप यहाँ पे folk music and dance performances भी देख सकते हैं. The grand procession of beautifully adorned camels through the city is a sight to behold. It is a lively and colorful event that offers visitors a unique insight into Rajasthan's rich desert traditions. And lastly, not to be missed, for the authentic shopping experiences, head to the Kote Gate market in Bikaner's old city. The market offers a wide variety of traditional Rajasthan handicraft, textile and jewelry. यहाँ पे you can particularly look for the local specialities like the Lehriya sari, the Bandhani dupattas, bangles and the camel leather products. After experiencing the royalty of Rajasthan in Lakshmi Niwas Palace in Bikaner, we headed to the golden city of Rajasthan, Jaisalmer. Here also we opted to stay in a fort which is known as India's youngest fort, the Mohangarh Fort. Jaisalmer is a magical destination that combines the charm of the desert with rich history and architecture. We created some of the best memories and had unforgettable experiences in the sand dune desert. We checked into Mohangarh Fort. This majestic fort, with its blend of yellow sandstone, white marble and colorful stone, offers a breathtakingly beautiful atmosphere. The former residence of Jaisalmer's royal family, the fort provides luxurious accommodation with traditional architect and modern amenities. Witnessed an mesmerizing sunset from the terrace of the fort and had an unforgettable experience in this unique blend of luxury, heritage and culture. After checking out from Mohangarh, which is approximately 60 kilometers from the center of Jaisalmer, we can visit the Tanot Mata Mandir and the Longewala border as well. If you are a history enthusiast, these places are a must visit. Tanot Mata का मंदिर इंडिया पाकिस्तान बॉर्डर लोंगेवाला से काफ़ी नज़दीक है. So a lot of tourists are seen in this location. माना जाता है 1965 में इंडिया पाकिस्तान वॉर के टाइम a lot of heavy shelling was done from Pakistan, but कोई भी बॉम्ब जो इस मंदिर के आसपास गिरा वो एक्सप्लोड नहीं हुआ. Since then, the protective belief of the power of Tanot Mata has been established. उस वॉर के बाद इंडियन आर्मी इस टेम्पल का मेंटेनेंस और देखभाल करती रही है. Tanot Mata Mandir se approximate 45 kilometers and 124 kilometers from Jaisalmer is the Longewala battlefield located. Longewala is famous for being the site of one of the most iconic and heroic battles in Indian military history, the Battle of Longewala during the Indo-Pakistani War of 1971. इंडियन आर्मी के केवल 120 इंडियन सोल्जर्स ने पाकिस्तान फौज के 2000 सोल्जर एंड 45 टैंक्स को अकेले मुकाबला दिया पूरी रात. The bravery and determination of the soldiers turned this battle into a resounding victory for India. यहाँ पे आप लोंगेवाला वॉर म्यूजियम देख सकते हैं. जो टैंक्स पाकिस्तान की इंडियन आर्मी ने डिस्ट्रॉय की थी वो भी वहाँ पे डिस्प्लेड है. There is the Border Security Force Post and the Longewala War Museum as well. Tanot Mata Temple and Longewala are closely linked due to their proximity and their role in the Indians' military history. ये दोनों जगह आप either जैसलमेर से one day trip में visit कर सकते हैं or you can visit them while coming from Bikaner to Jaisalmer. In Jaisalmer, you can't miss visiting the Jaisalmer Fort, which is also known as the Sonar Killa. This living fort is the highlight of Jaisalmer. Rising like a golden mirage from the desert, it is one of the largest forts in the world. ये fort अपने आप में एक दुनिया है जिसमें you'll find homes, shops, hotels, temples and palaces. Intricate carvings, narrow lanes, and the view of the city from the top is absolutely breathtaking. Another highly visited destination in Jaisalmer is the Patwaon ki Haveli. This is a cluster of 5 Havelis and is the most significant and elaborated designed Haveli in Jaisalmer. अगर आप फोटोग्राफी करना चाहते हैं then I would advise you to visit these Havelis in the early hours in the day because otherwise it gets very crowded. The detailed stone carvings, beautiful balconies and elaborate windows are a must watch when you are in Jaisalmer. Jaisalmer is famous for its desert, the Thar Desert जिसको the Great Indian Desert भी कहा जाता है. इस रण का 60+ हिस्सा जैसलमेर में पड़ता है, इसीलिए जैसलमेर को द गेटवे ऑफ थार डेजर्ट भी कहा जाता है. The golden dunes are perfect for enjoying camel safari, jeep safari and desert camping. Sunset and sunrise views are just magical. What we opted for was an overnight experience in the wild, in the desert. So first we took an hour camel ride into the heart of the desert where we met the locals who set up the local chulha, made us tea and gave us some snacks. Enjoyed the sunset and then they made us hot piping dinner and set up our beds under the open sky in the sand. Next day morning witnessed a mesmerizing sunrise, had warm cup of tea and headed back to the hotel. This was undoubtedly the best experience we had on the trip. Thank you for watching. Do let me know in the comments if I missed out on any other interesting places of these locations, and like and subscribe for more videos like this. Jai Hind.